I researched and tested some of the best JBL speakers in order to find the best one, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly what the perfect JBL speaker is for you. Like the JBL Flip 6, which is an impressive Bluetooth speaker that comes with a sturdy but portable design, dependable wireless connectivity, and surprisingly powerful audio that sounds good and is my choice as the best JBL speaker for the money in 2023. The problem is that the JBL Flip 6 isn't perfect for everyone, and if you don't know some specific things to look for, you could end up with a JBL speaker that won't work well for you, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of people and all the info you need to know to find the perfect product. So regardless of what you intend on using it for, you'll know exactly what the best JBL speaker is. I'll also have links to the best and most up-to-date prices on all the products I mentioned in this video in the description. The JBL Flip 6 is a more affordable alternative to some of their higher-end options and comes with a useful companion app to adjust the sound, a stable wireless connection, and solid components that can produce crisp audio wherever you go. The speaker comes with a compact, lightweight design that features rubberized passive radiators on either end to enhance the low-end response, a sturdy grille to guard the internal components, and an IP67 water resistance rating for safe use by the pool or at the beach. It offers stable and dependable Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity and also offers multi-point pairing, so you can connect up to 2 audio sources and seamlessly switch between them as needed. The battery is also solid and can reliably deliver up to 12 hours of continuous listening time on a single charge. It features an upgraded 10-watt tweeter and a 20-watt woofer to produce a surprisingly crisp and clear sound with plenty of bass considering its size, nice mids to uncover some subtle details, and nice treble to make lead instruments and vocals shine through with more clarity. It can also reach an impressive maximum volume for a compact speaker, though anyone who wants a speaker for large outdoor gatherings might prefer a bigger model like the JBL Xtreme 3, which I'll mention later. You can also pair a useful companion app that allows you to adjust the bass, mid, and treble sliders to your liking, and more. The JBL Flip 6 is an affordable and portable model that's designed to provide quality audio whenever and wherever you need, and you get solid battery life, a surprisingly sturdy design, and good sound quality with most audio content. If you don't want to spend too much and just want a lightweight speaker that can consistently produce clear audio, this is an excellent option. Most people might be looking for a speaker that's easy to use, can last for a long time, and consistently deliver crystal clear and balanced audio. The JBL Charge 5 checks these boxes, and it's my choice as the best JBL speaker for most people in 2023. JBL has several quality options to choose from, and the JBL Charge 5 offers a long-lasting battery that can charge your other devices, a compact and lightweight design, and consistent audio performance for a good price. It comes with a compact cylindrical design that's available in various colors to match your style and only weighs about 2 pounds to remain portable. Despite its lightweight build, it still offers good build quality and features rubberized feet on each end for added impact resistance, and an IP67 water resistance rating to safeguard the speaker from dust and splashes. It also offers outstanding battery life and can reliably last for up to 20 hours to keep you entertained, which is on par with more expensive models like the JBL Boombox 3, which I'll mention later. And it has built-in power bank functionality to top up your other devices as needed. It comes with a high-quality 20mm 10-watt tweeter, a 90mm 30-watt woofer, and passive radiators to deliver a powerful sound with good low-end response, bright and punchy treble, and clear mids to fill in the blanks, so it's suitable for almost any type of audio content. It's also compatible with the JBL Portable app that allows you to connect additional compatible JBL speakers via the Party Boost function to create a stereo pair and a more immersive listening experience, though it doesn't have an adjustable EQ to customize your sound. The JBL Charge 5 is an impressive all-around performer that can easily be taken with you wherever you go, and it provides a sturdy waterproof build, stable wireless connectivity, and high-quality components that produce a surprisingly balanced sound. This is an ideal choice if you don't want to splurge, but still want a high-performance portable Bluetooth speaker that sounds good each time. If you're looking for the speaker that offers the most complete combination of build quality, battery life, ease of use, and sound quality, the JBL Boombox 3 is a high-end option and my choice as the best overall JBL speaker in 2023. The JBL Boombox 3 is one of the most powerful Bluetooth speakers currently available, and it offers a massive and sturdy design, enough battery life to last throughout the day, and powerful components that produce loud, clear, and detailed audio. It has a robust design that resembles a traditional boombox, and while it's much larger and heavier than most other JBL models at around 15 pounds, it has an integrated carrying handle that makes it easier to transport. It has a sturdy plastic exterior that's built to last, and an IP67 water resistance rating, which makes it a good choice for outdoor get-togethers or beach parties. In addition, the battery is a standout feature that can reliably provide up to 24 hours of continuous playtime per charge to last for longer listening sessions and offers built-in power bank functionality. It features powerful components that include a 60-watt subwoofer, two 40-watt mid-range drivers, and two 8-watt tweeters to produce a louder and clearer sound than cheaper models such as the JBL Flip 6, which I mentioned earlier. It has a lively sound profile with excellent dynamic range, a booming low-end response that doesn't overpower the other frequencies, warm mids to add extra detail, and good treble to complement the vocals and lead instruments. The app also allows you to customize the sound with an adjustable EQ, connect additional speakers to enable the stereo party boost mode, and more. The JBL Boombox 3 is designed to provide a powerful and space-filling sound that doesn't sacrifice detail or clarity, and it also comes with outstanding battery life and a feature-rich companion app that allows you to customize your listening experience. If you have some money to spend and want a loud, powerful JBL speaker that consistently pumps out crisp sound, this is your best bet. Next up, I have a high-quality speaker that offers a robust build and powerful internal components that can produce a loud and lively sound that remains clear at higher volumes. The JBL Xtreme 3 is a great speaker for outdoor gatherings or parties. With its robust and reasonably portable cylindrical design, solid battery life with built-in power bank functionality, and impressive components that can reliably produce crisp audio, the JBL Xtreme 3 is an outstanding choice if you want a powerful sound. It has a cylindrical design that weighs around 5 pounds and comes with an integrated carrying strap for better portability. Like most other JBL offerings, it's a well-made speaker that's built to last and comes with a robust IP67 water and dust resistance rating to withstand indoor and outdoor use. It offers dependable Bluetooth connectivity and multi-point pairing to switch audio sources quickly. The battery life is also solid and can deliver up to 15 hours of use per charge, and it can top up your other devices throughout the day, though anyone who wants a longer-lasting option might prefer a model like the JBL Charge 5 that I mentioned earlier. On the inside, you get two 20mm tweeters, two 70mm woofers, and two JBL bass radiators that can consistently produce a reasonably balanced sound profile with a strong low-end response that can also reach sub-bass levels, which makes it a good choice for genres like EDM or hip-hop. It also offers a powerful 100-watt output to fill larger spaces with sound, along with quality mids and clear treble to fill in the blanks. In addition, it's compatible with the party boost function if you want to pair additional speakers for a more immersive stereo listening experience. The JBL Xtreme 3 is a solid choice if you want to fill larger spaces with quality audio, and it comes with enough battery for almost any get-together, a party boost mode to uncover more detail, and a crystal clear sound that's suitable for bass-heavy genres. This is an ideal choice if you want a high-end JBL speaker that can deliver a thumping, lively sound. Finally, some people might be looking for a speaker that can easily be carried around and still deliver solid battery life and good sound quality. The JBL Clip 4 fits this description, and it's my choice as the most portable JBL speaker in 2023. The JBL Clip 4 is a highly portable Bluetooth speaker that barely weighs anything, and it features a waterproof design for outdoor use, dependable wireless connectivity, and solid sound quality with various types of content. It features an exceptionally lightweight design that only weighs around half a pound, and you can get it in 4 different colors depending on your preference. It also has a convenient integrated carabiner that can easily attach to your belt loop or bag for greater portability, which makes it an ideal choice for camping or hiking. It offers solid build quality and features a waterproof IP67 resistance rating that can be submerged, so it's a good choice for outdoor activities. You get dependable Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity to provide a stable wireless connection. The battery is also solid considering its lightweight design and can deliver up to 10 hours of runtime on a single charge. It has a single 40mm 5-watt dynamic driver that delivers impressively crisp and detailed mono audio and a surprisingly clear sound profile with warm mids to add some texture and crisp treble that works well with a wide range of audio content, though bass lovers might prefer a more powerful model like the previously mentioned JBL Xtreme 3. It can also deliver a nice and reasonably wide soundstage, and it offers a solid maximum volume that's appropriate for small outdoor gatherings or casual use. The JBL Clip 4 is a lightweight model that won't weigh you down and offers solid battery life, and it's designed to provide a quality listening experience and enough volume to be heard each time whenever or wherever you need. If all you want is a Bluetooth speaker that can comfortably be carried around and still deliver quality audio, this is the perfect choice to consider. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.